Christian Majan. Today I'm gonna show you my AWS certification project. Like it's about the Amazon Web Services. It's like on-demand cloud. As you can see, it's founded in 2006, and it's for created by the Amazon.com. Initial services was like a computing, power, storage, networking, expansion, like IoT devices, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and the global reach for this companies like about the North America, Europe, Asia, and South Asia, and also the Africa. And current position in the market is like a market leader is AWS, and it's also competing with the Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and others. Revenue is like a good. Right now, I'm gonna show you in the next part, and the key and the product services. There's a lots of product services like Elastic Compute Cloud, and it's about the whole, like it's about the GPU, all the like you can play video games in the servers like a Xbox or like a kind of like a PS5. It's yeah, you could say that. And Amazon, it's a simple storage services you can use in the phone, and for the Lambda, it's for the code and for managing servers, and for the RDS, it's like a relational database for the MySQL, Oracle database, SQL servers. Like it's also used by the Oracle also. And for the AWS, like it's used for the IoT devices like connected to a home, like Wi-Fi or some kind of encrypted like uh, like internet connection, you could say. And for the mission statement like to make a modern app and build new tools and new devices for the future generation, and to make like a big businesses as compared to the Microsoft and the Google. And the great value, the attention to the customer, creativity, operating excellence, and the long-term view, responsibility, ownership. And for the long-term view, they focuses on the artificial intelligence, as I told you before. And for the responsibility and ownership, they like employees are urged to be responsible for their work and getting things done. That's the company goal. And alignment with the business strategies, they are making new business strategies to make like a strategic goal to how to grow their AWS environment, how to make a company more bigger. And also they are uh, increasing a good revenue. And I'm gonna show you like in the company profile. It's as you can see, there's a AWS like biggest tech hub is in the Toronto. It's in the North America. It's there's a address also available, and there's a data center and a sites for the AWS Edge. And key management figure CEO of the is the Andy Jay-Z, and also the Adam Silspeki. And address is this one for the Amazon Web Services Canada, and this is the phone number. And yeah, this is the financial data. As you can see, it's like creating a huge profit, and also the it's on $22.1 billion in the cost of sales, but the gross profit, as you can see, AWS and is making about like a $5.4 billion. Like it's about the net profit. And yeah, AWS is creating a huge market. For the global citizenship profile, initiative like for the social responsibility, like sustainable future, like providing a project to help the environment, and for a better health and education, actual conversation project, and long-term care for the net zero carbon pollution by the year 2040, and infrastructure to run the renewable energy, being a diverse and welcoming. Yeah, as you can see, the review rate of the from the employees about the AWS, it's kind of best, and a lot of people are getting high and loving the AWS. It's about the energy, how they are using wind and solar energy in their farms to produce renewable resources. They are using efficient use of water, technology, and curriculum economy. Certification and following, they're also providing the certification like a free and also paid. Anyone can do. They doesn't need any degree for that thing, and they can work under also Amazon. Culture work is also great. As you can see, it's more detailed. I can't like explain each and every part. Sorry about that. And the development of the employee. And it's they also provide some kind of like a training and mentorship programs. They also give the like some kind of websites so they can also learn, and they also give the advantages and good life, as I told you, health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off. And for the career opportunities, you can be a software development, software engineer, or the manager of the product sales, human resource, cloud architecture, AI. Like you can also work in the AI. It's more popular nowadays, and also in the specialized technical roles. And requirement for these roles, you doesn't need any, I told you, degree, but they mostly prefer bachelor or master degree program from the computer science, and also the experience. Hiring professional development, hiring process is not that difficult. You have to only apply on the website, or they're gonna check your skills and also the degree you have done, and that's it. And they also help you in the professional development. And in the conclusion, it's about the how they help the employees and how they gonna do in the future, and for the future direction. Goals kept going, and promise to protect the environment, customer center approach, areas that could grow, changes in the tech businesses, like getting used technology, using older parts of old product, investment from the R&D, like cyber for the cybersecurity and the data analysis and the analysis place in the market. like uh, like there's a lots of big part AWS playing right now, and it advantages for the small businesses also pro and cons for that. There's a they need a cybersecurity team. If the data got hacked, it's gonna be issue. And challenges, I'm gonna like right now, I made this whole project. Sorry about that. Like they said, we not gonna let you in because you were late, like 24 hours to contact them. So I know it's my mistake, and I was not well, and I was off net for quite a week, and I was not contacted anybody, and I'm also not going to the college or a work. So sorry, I was quite late for them, I know. And so I, professor, and I have also added the references for this thing. Thank you.